Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mad Scientist Hut, and I thought I would try something new, and I'm going to do a giveaway on my channel. This is what I'm going to give away. It is a female pipe thread Cuptisserie, 4 shafts, so you can do 4 cups. This is my latest design, and this will include this exact assembled unit here, and it will include the rotisserie motor and the wood mount kit. These shafts are removable. They're threaded 3/4 inch PVC. Makes it a little easier when you're working on your cups to remove them. I will also include with this one 4 individual stands, which I don't have set up yet. But let's get started with the details on what you need to do for the contest. Alright, to enter this contest, you will email to the address in the description of this video a screenshot from your YouTube account that shows that you are subscribed, that you watch this video with the little red bar played all the way across the bottom. I'd like to see the little like button pressed, and then also I want to see the bell with the little ringing icon around it that says that you're getting notifications. I would consider that a valid entry, and what we'll do is at the end of May 30th I'm going to start making a spreadsheet of all the valid entries from the email, and then we will have a live draw from the spreadsheet and a random number generator from the internet. So based on how many entries there are, 1 to whatever, say there's 500 entries, we'll just pick a random number between 1 and 500, and we'll look at the spreadsheet live on a video, and whoever number that is, I will email them, and they will have a week to get back to me with their shipping address, and I will ship this to them. So, good luck with the contest, and thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.